the February Boxy Charm Box here right now. I'm just going to show you a little bit of everything that's in here. So we're going to start with the Farmacy. This is a Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I actually just used it and it feels super fresh on your face, and it smells like it's just all clean ingredients, and it cleaned my face like perfectly. There's really no makeup, no nothing left on my face. So it's awesome. I really like that one. I have the Pretty Vulgar. This is the highlighter. So they sent me the highlighter, the Shimmering Swan highlighter, and I will be using that one in a little bit to show you guys. Here we have the Touch and Soul. This is the No Problem Primer. I did use it the other day, and I noticed a difference on just how smooth the makeup went on my face. So that was already a plus just by putting that one on the other day. The classic TooFaced Better Than Sex mascara. It is actually one of my favorite mascaras ever, so it's perfect that this was in my first box because I needed to get some anyway. And then we have the Toreutique. This is the lip color in Glaze, and it also has a primer. So there's a lip primer on one end, and then the color is on the other. It's like a really pretty rosy color, so it's awesome. All right. And this is everything that's in the February box, and I am going to be trying it all out right now. So here is the Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I got this in my first Boxy Charm box for the February box, and I'm super excited to try this out, and I'm going to wash my face now with it and show you the results.